don't like. I like the strength. I just don't like where it's at.
I think I might have Google off open. It's kind of weak pre-market.
Google.
Yeah, 174.
That's actually pretty valid. I didn't even notice that. There's a wick there from 2 days ago, like
I think there was a
173.75.
trend.
What happened?
I think I saw a trend on that. Let me see. Yeah, the 30-minute, but it's under that.
What's it at?
The trend.
Yeah, what's the trend at?
It's at like it's like breaking right now, but it was around like
Oh,
174.
okay. That's perfect.
And then the 15-minute gives us room down to 173.60, which is plenty, honestly, for the scalp.
AMD got downgraded. I wrote the trade idea, but AMD got downgraded this morning. Probably a little too overextended, maybe a little too, or taken a little too far. But we'll see if that can extend its losses here this morning. Obviously, Nvidia pumping this morning a little bit here.
Nor, what do you think of that 755 area on SMCI?
I just took that off. I have to see, honestly. I feel like that's looking at too many things right now. SMCI. Yeah. They're going to be expensive, though, right?
Yeah, I think the 700 is going to be like 800 probably.
It's annoying.
AMD is weak, though, dude. Look at that.
Did it just drop again?
Yeah, it's at 162.20.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I think I'm going to have AMD off the open. If that's what you guys like.
At what time? 1 p.m. Kunal? Got it. FOMC press conference also Wednesday. I saw that PPI on Thursday. Yep.
Yeah, Wednesday and Thursday are data full.
All right, so I guess AMD can't work right now.
What do you mean it can't work?
I mean, like, we're breaking here pre-market.
Oh, yeah.
Can't. For now. I hear it.
So you guys got AMD?
You plan on taking that early?
I like SMCI. I don't like AMD at all today.
Okay.
TSM's still a little far for me, so I'm gonna have to wait off of that. But I sent my trade ideas to the tab, so.
How would you play SMCI, Frank?
I'm waiting for 755. That's the only way I really take that trade setup right there.
All right, just keep me updated on that.
Got you.
Alerts for Nvidia. Nothing there.
There goes AMD.
Yeah, AMD's getting clapped. That's so annoying. CRWD, you guys still interested?
What's it at?
It's pushing right now.
I think the level's 374 is where I'm interested at on that.
Like $1 away.
Oh yeah, this thing's pushing, huh? What we doing with this, George? That's already right here.
Which one?
That's just a straight candle, bro. I can't play that.
Which one? What are you talking about?
Crowd.
CRWD.
It literally made the push.
Oh, Google.
What you Still watching AMD here,
Quick.
still weak. Oh,
Damn, I missed
Oh,
Google.
there goes
Bro.
Google.
Yeah, I'm switching over to Google.
Bro, yeah. There's no way we're catching crowd.
Look
There's
at
not
that.
really volume on those Google contracts
Yeah, it's
either. They only have like
trash.
100.
I just noticed that.
Damn, I just caught 28% on Google,
That was
bro.
28%.
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah, those probably moved, but they
Which
have the
contracts?
spread.
Which
with the
contracts?
volume.
Have the most volume?
170s.
The
I
what?
took 170s.
Oh,
I didn't get filled for my entire position though, so
that's how bad the volume is?
yeah.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's literally not even
From the
200.
100.
CRWD
Okay,
is pushing. It's Google with an L that I always look at, guys. Need a bounce here. Damn, SPY is weak. NQ isn't.
You like Nvidia at all at like 122?
I kind of just wanted to see how it moved today, honestly.
Yeah, that Sam.
CRWD is still going. Did those contracts move?
They said that it doesn't have any volume at all. I'm gonna just go ahead and get it ready in case for some reason it pulls back.
It's
I don't
ripping
think it
here.
does. It's literally at the all-time high right now.
AMD is weak as hell.
AMD
It's
is
8
weak.
right here.
Yo, these do have volume. They're expensive though.
Yo, I mean, Google finessed me. There was just no option. There's no volume on there.
AMD Nor.
Yeah.
Yo, George, I'm gonna have crowd ready. The 400s have volume. These are worth like around $3 right now.
that's what I was about to ask you. The 400s, huh?
Yeah,
Gotta be.
380's way too expensive for this.
380s are. Wait, the 400s. Yeah, they're $3. CRWD, guys, we're looking at. Bro.
It's
Yeah,
just
we're
crowd
looking
be
at the
doing this.
400.
Right,
Oh,
Bro.
there goes George.
I
I
didn't take
missed
that.
that.
Yeah, I
Made
missed
300 off of it. That it was pretty good for $1.
I needed a rejection there to play that, honestly.
I took the red to green on that,
Yeah, that was nice.
so it wasn't bad. I took it with light side just because I haven't traded this stock in a while.
All right, I mean, everything's happening. It's at 381.
Somebody said they had crowd had news. That's why it's strong or what?
Yeah,
It has to be, bro.
it's up 10%, almost 10.
Oh, SMP added to the SMP. That's okay. Yeah.
That was at market open, or a little bit before that.
No, before that.
Damn, what the heck?
Still going, Ian. I mean, Frankie.
Mm-hmm.
AMD is something I'm looking at just in case the market gets weak here.
ES is way weaker than NQ.
Yeah, I'm trying to
What do you
find
have?
anything that's weak here.
What do you have for AMD? I don't have anything till 158 unless you have something else.
I mean, it's getting there. There's also a gap at like 160.80 down to like 160.
Yeah, Antonio, I sold on the break of 380. I was looking for too much right there.
God, CrowdStrike is at 384. Those pullbacks are heavy. Look at that.
I was just about to say, I was like, Frankie played it the best way possible, bro. Because those pullbacks are not what's up.
At least I played it Yeah, like the safest way I could have on that
Yeah.
play.
I think AMD is way too overextended. I think they'll buy that dip, but we'll see. But if they end up buying that dip, I'll take the upside on that. Which sounds a little weird, but
The next closest stock I have is TSM. Maybe if SMCI gets below 760, I'll switch to that. But I'll just have stuff ready for TSM for the moment.
QQQ with the first red candle here. That's interesting.
Oh, so you went with the 380s, Antonio. Okay. I bet those moved way better than mine, though. Mine only had like a 30-cent breakout for like a $1.50 move. You don't like going that far out. I get that. Each candle in the video has like 1,000,000 volume.
Cheap.
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
AMD coming back down.
New low from AMD is wild.
TSM is coming here. What level did you like at TSM?
166. So we're still $1 away on it.
Dollar.
Yeah. I got some time on it.
Those contracts move pretty good.
I was looking at it for a little bit. It's not too bad. It's just really cheap. Maybe it's not even cheap for the stock, but I'm just used to playing out the money on Nvidia and everything being expensive.
Yo, SPY's just stuck, right?
Yeah, it's this is what I have right now for ES.
I'm just making sure.
Look, waiting to see what they want to do there.
Okay, all right. I was just making sure. Flash. SPY slipping, right?
Mm. Still not out of the woods there. Oh my god. They aren't great. How much of a break was that? Took a while to fail.
On what?
TSM.
Oh.
The
They're not that.
170s.
Yeah, they're not even at 1K volume yet. They're close, but
They're close, and the level's not even there yet, really.
Yeah, AMD is showing me good signs here. Looking at the 160 puts, if it does end up dropping without the market. How much are we down here at 3.9? Almost 4%.
You gonna try to take it at the gap?
Yeah, it starts at 160.80. I just want to see what happens if the market ends up pushing here. I don't want to be too early to the party.
Logan, you played Nvidia, bruh? To the upside or what?
I'm looking at the 160 puts on AMD. I actually am liking this because how weak it is. And I feel like we
I'm
don't
with
have
you on
much
this.
more room up where it's on the QQQ, but as we can see as of lately, there's unlimited room.
ES and NQ both pushing here. AMD's dropping.
See this wick? Let's just see what happens here. I'm in these.
Oh my god. Come on.
160 puts on AMD. It's just the market is too. I mean, NQ just dropped, bro.
Yeah, but they're buying it back up.
Yeah. I'm gonna make this easy. So what I'm planning to do with AMD is letting this run here. There is a gap that starts at 160.80, which it just kind of dropped through. But I'm gonna use this wick area here, 160.150 as my stop. I was a little late to that party right there. But I'm going to use 160.150 as the top there as my stop loss, because if you look at the chart, it keeps wicking at the same area, 160.150. So I'm going to use that as my stop. I'll send you guys a screenshot so you guys can understand. Market just started dropping as well, so we'll see if AMD gets any type of head start here.
See this close below 161 at least.
See, that's a good rejection right off of 160.150.
You gonna target the whole 160 break?
Yeah,
I think that the gap ends at 20 cents, right?
correct. I want to see what it does at 20.
Getting tired of this level on ES here.
We should get a new low well, bounced, but let's see.
Yeah,
It's a
ES
pretty
keeps
easy
bouncing
one
up.
to have a stop loss there, because 160.150, and then obviously the target is 160. So you got $1 target versus a 50-cent break. I mean 50-cent stop loss. NQ just popped nicely.
just wondering, my alert on TSM is at 165.80.
New low coming in on AMD.
And then I'm gonna do the 170 calls. So
Dude, ES is gonna try it here. Most of the stock market is pushing now. Here we go.
Like I said, I'm sticking to targets here. 160, 150 is my stop.
ES and breaking down.
Contracts moved well on that break.
Yeah.
So we'll see how this can continue. Nice. Another 10-cent break here.
Might sell third here. For a quarter.
And
And
I obviously
haven't
wanted
sold
to get in
yet.
this way earlier, but it didn't allow
What's
me
your
to.
buy feel?
What'd you say?
What was your buy feel?
320.
Oh, we got about the same. We got 319. Oh man.
It's paying 360 a contract right there, guys. So that's 10%.
Let's sell a quarter here.
First target is 320, which it kind of just touched. And then second target is 320. 160.20.
SMCI
Yeah.
is back at 763, so just a heads up on that.
22 cents there, Norm.
Yep. Market just
Pretty
bounced though.
much. Yeah,
see if
that's
we
why I
can get
sold a
weakness.
quarter at least. Might sell another one if we don't drop here soon.
Level 2
Oh, no, I
showing
still
signs of
like that.
weakness.
I still like that though. NQ, what is NQ doing?
Green or red. Let's see if we can make a new low with that green or red. We got 30 seconds left. Oh, yeah. New low. All right, guys. First target just officially hit. Now, obviously, if you want to scale out, you can do so. I'm looking for more here. I think this has a lot more in the tank. But it's all going to be dependent on if we get a big bounce from the market. If we get a big bounce in the market, it'll obviously take it higher. I might switch over to SMCI.
Look at that. I like that. I like how the seller stepped in there.
Should I stay with this right now? Oh,
You got a little bit of time. We're about to get both,
all right.
I think. I sold another quarter there on that break, so I only got a half left.
You got time on SMCI. I'll let you know if it gets really close.
All right, just keep us updated.
Yeah, it's at 761 right now, so you guys are fine.
Got it.
I'll say the only problem is the volume on the contracts. These have 300 right now.
Trash.
Yeah, spreads are good. I mean, it's just like average SMCI. It's just the volume is just horrible.
What contracts? The 700s?
Yeah.
Yeah.
400 in volume.
That's why I sold another half there on AMD.
Nothing else is good either. SMCI at 758.
I just got that alert.
Just wicked.
Where do you want to take it? 755, right?
Yeah, 755.50 is where I have my alert.
Okay.
I don't want to take no early entries on this.
You gonna stop out here soon on AMD for SMCI or no?
I could, yeah.
Contract's still green here.
Contract's starting to pick up some volume at SMCI now, Nor. 800 now in volume.
All right. It's
It was
still
just at
pretty
300.
garbage. What was the low from Friday? 758.
750. Yeah. The low pre-market from Friday was 756.50, but I'm just gonna play it safe and wait for 755.
That was
Come-
aggressive there.
It's coming down. Close below 760 now.
You're looking at the 700 puts. These are $640, correct?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yes, sir.
The video got cracked, by the way. I was getting alerts.
I have a gap on that somewhere. I think it starts at the 50-cent level. It's like a dollar gap.
I think it passed. I think it got to that gap. If I'm not mistaken, I could be
It
wrong.
might have been 118.50
Yeah.
or 117.50. It's one of those two. I don't have my notes pulled up.
SMCI still grinding lower.
$2 away.
Yeah. So obviously we're looking at the 700 puts on SMCI, and Nvidia's getting caught. All right. Oh shit.
Broke.
Broke. I actually missed that.
It happens. You just have to be looking. It didn't snap, but you just had to be
I
looking.
had my alert. It went off, and I just went to go look a little bit more.
You take that, Frank?
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah, I'm
You
up.
doing this with me? Look
Yeah,
at
I'm
the
up
hourly.
I'm up 2% right now on this, so
They moving
my
well
stop
or
loss
no?
will probably be back a push above 760, George.
Which one that?
Just looking to play it safe for a Monday. Don't
You're
wanna go-
already up in the green from
Yeah, not trying to go too crazy.
CRWD.
Contract's actually moving up in value right now.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nah, I like this. I like
I'm in
how
these
we
with you
right now.
guys.
Huh?
I'm in this with you guys. The 700 puts
All right.
for beginners. Probably stay away from this. But I think this cracks through 750 finally.
That's 751. Let's see what we do there. 748 after that.
What are you using a stop? 760?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Any push above that, I'm just gonna stop out. No questions.
Yeah, I went in light.
Not gonna wait for the candle to close. None of that.
That's a dangerous game on SMCI.
Waiting for the candle to close.
Yes, bro.
Yeah.
I'll be trying to do that, man, but not on SMCI.
If you're in light
bro.
enough, you're like if you're in light enough and understand the move you're in, sometimes it makes sense, but
Nah, it's
I like
dude,
I like the quick scalps on SMCI, so
yeah, I feel you. Nice, good stuff for us.
I might sell half of my position at the new low if we come back down, George. Just on how this is moving.
Not a bad idea. I hate when SMCI when I'm thinking that way, and then as soon as I sell half, it's just smooth selling.
Yeah.
The video at 118.20. What a nice bounce.
The
I just
bid
hit
is
my
not
stop.
above. You just hit your stop?
Yeah, I stopped. The moment the ass hit 761 because it just popped over, that's when I stopped.
Sure.
AMD bounced.
There we go. Did you stop out as well, Nor, or no?
My finger's on the sell button. I'm in the light
Same.
position here.
Same here.
Because I didn't get to catch the original move with you guys. I was in AMD.
Big wick there on ES. Didn't.
AMD was smooth sailing though.
Yeah.
It looked like it. I was watching from the side.
Yeah, just continue to grind lower.
Yeah, my finger's on the sell button here. About to get aggressive one way or the other.
Now, as soon as I see the bid touch 760, that's where I'm getting out.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. And bid is stuck at 758. That's when I hate playing this stock right here. Like the stock price was below the bid price for about like 2 seconds. Now it looks like we switched sentiment and Q is the one that's weaker than ES.
You don't usually see that the last few days. It's been doing that, the opposite. Did CRWD ever come back up?
No, it actually came back down. It's at 376
though.
right now.
Oh,
Yeah, I stopped out on that one. I went light enough though, I'm still green off of AMD.
what did Kevin play? NVIDIA today?
Google,
No, Google, Microsoft, and Nvidia. I took Microsoft for a loss.
My guy had a action-packed morning.
That wasn't bad for SMCI, George. I was up 10% and lost 10%. So
Yeah, I think I had a little bit slighter earlier entry. I only took 13% on that loss.
CRWD is bouncing though. That into 385 looked really good.
stock, sorry.
CRWD.
Oh,
He
CrowdStrike.
always says that. TSM is coming back up here, Frank.
I'm watching it right now. I'm
What?
considering the high because it's an inverse H here, but the trend line isn't till like 165.70.
What about it? Oh, that's what he's looking at.
The 1 minute trend there at 40 cents as well.
Yeah, there's a lot of things that go against me if I take an early entry.
Early trend at 389, so you still got room on that. Or what trend were you talking about?
The 30-minute downtrend. It's like around 165.60, 165.70.
Oh, got you there.
Yeah. I think it's a 30-minute. I have it plotted on the 30-minute.
It's on the 15 as well.
Okay, I see that.
Damn, CRWD dropped so quick.
Or your alerts at, I think it was, you said 80 cents, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Not too familiar with the stocks. I want to be careful with it.
I'm gonna play it with you. I like that.
Spreads are pretty tight too. It's just contracts are just cheap. That's it.
From
It's like
Monday.
I'm playing Apple, bro. Yeah.
Just closed above that 1 minute trend here.
TSM.
Yeah.
I don't like where we're at in the market, bro. Yeah, no limited. Frankie has 20 at 165.80 is his alert. Yeah.
SPY breaking out. Or at Hive Day at least breaking through. Yeah, SPY just had the candle.
Still struggling with that 15-30 minute trend.
TSM. Is that what you're talking about, George?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's why the more like I thought about 165.50, like the high of day, I was like, there's a lot more things against me there. And then if I were just to wait,
Just one more thing that I'm looking at here. Oh, TSM's pushing.
yep.
That's aggressive.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that's aggressive finally.
That's the candle you want to see into a trend line break.
Yeah, reacts at
Now,
46.
George, my target on this is the all-time high, which is like 70 cents away. So
Yeah. I think the first thing I want to see is how we react around 40 cents after we break 166. It's gonna have to be a smooth sell ride all the way up.
yeah, I know. I just don't remember how it breaks out of these kinds of plays because I'm still new to the stock. So
They're quick. Yeah, it's over.
2 cents here on the ask.
It broke.
contracts are moving pretty good.
Yeah.
It is ahead of the market, which I like. I guess the only problem is I just don't know how the stock moves on these kinds of moves when it's ahead.
This is Friday's high here.
Yeah.
It just touched it on the ask. 166.12. On Meta, yeah, I see it.
Ooh, there it goes. You're high on the ask, but not on the stock.
There we go. New high on the ask again. Since uh, 12 cents was the high there.
It's hovering it right now.
Hmm.
If we make any more of these small cent breakouts, I'll probably just look to
There we
see.
go.
Look, I'm gonna see it like based off of that. I'm gonna look to hold a little bit longer.
I'm looking at the 500 calls on Meta for a scalp. I just want a red candle here.
All right, you guys have my target on TSM. I'm looking for a big target on this. It's the all-time high at 166.66. So
I'm in these 500 calls for Meta. It's just a scalp. CRWD is moving as well. Oh, there goes Meta. Rejection. It's gonna be a tight stop there, actually. The two moves that I'm really waiting for is AMD and CRWD. So
I actually ended up selling there, George. I wanted to hold above 166, not break through and break right there. So
I ended up selling half whenever we made that push. I still had a half here.
I call 15%, Frankie.
okay, Ian.
Yeah, boys.
Normally on others,
Stop loss for the half of my position is gonna be 80 cents.
I'd say normally if it was like any other stocks, maybe I would look to hold a little bit longer
And there goes that.
past that key level break. But since I'm new to the stock, I'm not really sure how it moves. I'm just playing it as safe as possible.
Yeah, for that reason, what you just said is the reason why I sold on that new high, at least half. Yeah,
It's
that's
a
it for
big target for sure on that stock, but I was definitely looking for a lot on it.
Got a 7%, 8% stop on Meta. CRWD is coming in hot.
like they setting up a little flat top there at 381, huh?
Yeah, I'm not playing that though. I would play a
No,
380,
I'm
365. Meta's contracts move like they have freaking earnings today. Or this week. Barely moved on the drop.
I seen that, Fred.
And then AMD is grinding higher here.
About to go for a new high there for the day.
AMD can't get past 163. George, you playing CRWD if this comes up?
If we hold that 381, maybe. I don't know about. I don't know. TSM starting to pick up as well. You still watching this, Frankie, or no?
No, I'm done with it. It's really funny because I just looked at the golden flow. TSM, it's a couple months out, so it's not the most relevant thing, but 190 calls came in for this stock.
Still like this, dude.
That's all you, Cuzzo.
Still struggling with that 381, huh, crowd?
Yeah, it's literally stuck there. AMD is trying, yo.
TSM is holding up as much as it can here against ES. Then Q's pushing up though.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not taking this right here. There it goes. Fuck.
AMD with the recovery here. It's the last thing I'm trying. 165 calls I'm looking at. You see this on AMD?
Yeah. Where are you taking it at?
Soon.
164?
A little less than that. Might actually take it soon.
Damn, it's on.
Yeah, I just took it. 165 calls AMD. So what I'm doing with this is a recovery from a downgrade this morning. So if this breaks 164, 163.84, we have room to 164, and after 164, it'll probably get momentum because the flat top here pre-market. So I'm looking for this to maybe be down maybe $2.50 for the day rather than $4. You're gonna be able to tell as soon as we break soon. If we break and we don't get the momentum we want, I'm gonna get out. But we're at 70. The high of day or pre-market is 163.83.
The pre-market high is 165.38, by the way.
Yeah. Look, there we go. We just broke that. So now we need to get through 164. After 164, we should get some smooth sailing here, unless the market has a downturn of events. Put this on the 5-minute. This looks absolutely crazy. I got room to 164.40.
You high incoming or what?
For what?
TSM?
Where is it at? Oh, 166.60. Holy.
Oh wow, that came back, huh, George?
Mm-hmm. I didn't take an entry. I'm just watching it.
I want to go get a drink.
Other than the AMD downside, this was the only play that I was looking at pre-market here. The upside on AMD.
Damn. There it goes, George.
Mm-hmm.
We rejected off the 1-minute trend too. I just saw that.
Are you talking
TSM.
about the bounce?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, well, there goes that. Those contracts move nice for a breakout like that, though.
And it
Oh.
did.
Not too bad. I think if that was more in the morning open, I think we would have had that a lot smoother.
I'm going to look to add to AMD at 164. If I can get this without QQQ pulling back this hard. Target for AMD is 164.40. Stop is going to be low, be before 163 for sure. I'm looking to add soon. Around 93 cents is where I'd be comfortable adding. Rejection right at 163.88.
So there's a 1-minute trend there. Looks like it keeps rejecting.
What? AMD?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have that. So I needed to break 164 and there should be smooth sailing.
This is gonna be. It's gonna be a. 2 cents there, and Frankie.
Yeah, I'm watching right now.
Trying to get some
Some screen time.
screen time on a stock we don't normally play, since Nvidia might be.
Dunzo. Man.
Oh, broke by 14 cents. I didn't even. I don't like those breaks though. I hate those type of breaks.
Shit is normal sometimes.
Yeah. Let's see.
Looking to add at 93 cents, guys.
Over.
Where's the market? QQQ's trying. SPY is trying. I just got an. Oh. Got an alert.
For what?
Some bullshit. Nothing to do with us.
DM.
I don't see us getting a serious rejection off AMD unless the market pulls back. I'm positioned for an ad though. Here we go on AMD.
Yeah, Dinero, that was TSM on the bigger time frame. Dude, SMCI has been going crazy.
Really?
It's at 800 almost. It's about to go for it.
SMH is just stuck at its trend right now. AMD is stuck.
AMD's picking up volume here though.
Yeah, it is. But market's sort of breaking out. SMH is about to break out. If SMH could get going here, 254 needs to get past and hold. You got out of TSM?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I didn't play it. I was watching it. Like, I like how
Oh.
it looked, but I don't know it enough for me to take that high like that.
Thought you were in.
I'm watching AMD here with you now. I'm starting to like it. The volume's picking up.
Contract's moving really, really good. I have an alert set at 93. Well, I have it 94. I'm going to change it to 93. That's where I would want to add.
It can look crazy.
Time with this. 10, 17.
TSM still going.
What is?
TSM still going.
Yeah, I'm just watching.
I only played it with Frankie. I ended up selling half green and then the other half flat.
I'm just flat on AMD right now.
No, TSM's on crack. What the hell?
Mm-hmm.
My stop on AMD is less than 10%.
Seems like that's the only semiconductor not going for new highs here.
Mm-hmm. SMH is just stuck right now.
SMCI just broke.
Broke what?
No, I'm saying for whoever, I saw some
Oh,
people
800.
thinking they were in. Yeah.
Less than 10%, so that would be like 270 a contract. Was that a $5 rejection? Frankie?
Yep.
Yeah. I saw Jose say 800 is crazy, and I was like, did I have a crazy breakout? And I looked, and I was like, nah, the opposite, actually.
That thing went from low day to high day. We're not getting
Mhm.
750 this week. Well, not
I
tomorrow,
don't
not
think so
today,
either.
at least. I don't know
Hell
about this
no.
week.
I don't got nothing else. Y'all got anything else?
No,
Absolutely zero.
I have a less than 10% stop on AMD, but other than that, target's 164.40, and then I would plan on adding at 163.93 if we got that. Contracts held up really good for AMD. It's because of the consolidation. My fill on AMD was 305. Contracts are at 3. Back at break even again. 305 a contract. See, market pulls back heavy. AMD didn't drop, so it's still just as healthy as I was looking at it before. You're just dealing with a consolidation now. Contracts are at 310.
It's gonna be smooth selling. This breaks out of this little range.
Smooth what?
It's gonna be just smooth that if it breaks out of this and holds that.
Yeah, the consolidation either side here. But even it grinded lower. It couldn't drop. We'll give it a little bit here, but not much. Maybe like 7 minutes to see where we're at on here. 3, yeah, about 7. Getting ready to add though. SMH is just here. I'm adding here on AMD. SMH is finally breaking out.
Oh
There it goes,
man.
boom.
Nice.
330 a contract. So about 10% right there. Still 320 a contract. $164.40 is my first target. Obviously, you have a rejection here. I think the market fell. Yeah, QQQ did. So same stop for me, guys, and then target is 164.40 for the first target.